TikTok, an app where you can do any kind of shit and shit gets famous. TikTok, an app where you can literally shake the head 10 times and that shit will get millions and millions of views. TikTok, an app where you can do lip sync in a viral song and that shit will get famous. Nowadays I am saying that most of the people have very low attention spans, stuck in a phone, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling along. As a result, they can't focus on a single thing for long. Studying on any subject is greatly hampered because of this. Even if you like that subject or not, everything feels boring to you. I literally ran a test on me for 2 weeks. I couldn't run for longer than that cause I have study and edit videos and write scripts and do all kind of shit. And to be honest, I was just stuck in the loop of scrolling and scrolling. And TikTok played a big role making that happen. Brief. So what the hell is TikTok? TikTok, known as Douyin in its home market, was launched in China in September 2016. It quickly started to gain traction in China and the parent company ByteDance launched an international version the following year, 2017. Originally launched as a short-form video sharing platform primarily for lip-syncing and dancing videos, TikTok has grown into a fully fledged video services with content available for all types of viewers. We know what kinds of viewers you are targeting, TikTok. I'm saying it, yeah. And the CEO of ByteDance incorporated a similar AI platform into TikTok, which is able to identify a user's interest and feed them more and more relevant videos, just like our one and only YouTube algorithm. Wink. While many Chinese apps have failed to succeed outside of China, most or notably Tencent's WeChat, TikTok manages to push itself into the overseas market through the acquisition of Musical.ly in November 2017 for a whopping $1 billion. That's a story for another day. So this added 80 million users, mostly in the US, which TikTok then imported to its own platform. People usually like and subscribe to the channel if they are liking and getting attached to the video. I'm just saying.
You naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
So how the growth of TikTok went down. TikTok's growth. After buying Musical.ly, TikTok snowballed into the most popular app in 2019 and 2020. It was downloaded 693 million times in 2019 and 860 million times in 2020. Just imagine once 850 million people just scrolling and stuck in their phone without any sheets to worry about, without doing any valid works and just scrolling. Even though it only launched in 2017, TikTok was the 7th most downloaded app on the 2010s and looks to be a true competitor against Facebook's grip on social networking in the West. Even with this stellar growth, TikTok has faced several controversies. In 2019, India and Pakistan banned it for morality issues with
Bye-bye, Tata, goodbye, Gaya.
both bans being while India banned the app again in June 2020 along with a spate of other Chinese-based apps as the tension between China and India heightened. Here is a graph to show you the freaking growth of this freaking app. Let's look at these graphs. In the year 2017, the market revenue of TikTok was $63 million and this grew more than twice in a year. In 2018, the growth was phenomenal with a market share of $150 million. In 2019, this grew even bigger. In 2019, the market revenue of TikTok was $350 million. And in 2020, this growth skyrocketed. This growth literally skyrocketed. And I can't see any way to stop this freaking growth of TikTok. Literally scares me and sends chills down to my spine. Market share of TikTok in 2020 was $1.9 billion. What? And now that's even bigger with a number that I can't even comprehend. So as TikTok went bigger and bigger and bigger, other companies started to recognize the growth of the short video platform named TikTok. So YouTube naturally responded with a twist in this formula of TikTok. So what the hell is YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is a form of content which is 9:16 aspect ratio and has a duration of 60 seconds or less. Kinda like stories and shit. YouTube is a prime example of where content creation is heading, and it is the representation of current state of viewers who can't even keep their focus for more than 60 seconds and need new things every minute. What a great way to go for humanity. Let's just don't be melodramatic. Another giant named Instagram also responded with a twist on TikTok. August 5, 2020, a date which is monumental in Instagram's whole journey. This was the date when Instagram Reels was introduced. Let me give you a metaphor. Changing the label of a whiskey bottle doesn't make the substance in that whiskey bottle vodka. Understand? What matters is that what is inside the bottle. And in TikToks and Instagram Reels case, two things are just too similar to be neglected. That day shit got real. They introduced Instagram Reels, a new way to create and discover short entertaining videos on Instagram. It's technically a clone of TikTok, believe it or not. There are countless problems with shorts content. You just can't retain any knowledge from a 15 or a 60 seconds clip if you are an average human being. So it can't give you any significant value other than some entertainment value, that's all. So you might be asking, why did I show you all these statistics? This is to give you guys a picture of how many people are truly invested in TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Reels like content and wasting their times. I showed you this so that you can understand this problem is not small. Millions and millions of people are consuming Shorts and TikTok and Reels, obviously, like consuming some kind of drugs. TikTok's short video format has been linked to a decrease in attention span. According to an article in The Independent, those who use the app for over 90 minutes can narrow the collective attention span over time. Every day there are new trends on TikTok that can be found via hashtags on the app explore page. Videos in this app can be anything that people can relate to. During lockdowns, many have spent more time on their phone and computers streaming videos on TikTok, and now the number of users even increased. A study titled Accelerating Dynamics of Collective Attention, published in Nature Communications, showed a dramatic decrease in attention span of people over time. For instance, researchers from the Technical University of Denmark pointed out that a 2013 hashtag on average stayed on top for 17.5 hours, but in 2016 a top hashtag only stayed for an average of 11.9 hours, a long decrease. In recent years, people's constant need for faster information, new content and exciting new daily trends has ever grown. Some users even reported that they used to watch a 10 to 30 minute video in the past, but have now found themselves losing interest in a matter of a few minutes. They could feel their patience running out despite being genuinely interested in the video. Things like shorts should complement the long form content, but it's making people lazy and not get invested into anything. Let's look at an example. He had to work absolutely teeth and bones on the main channel to get it to where he is now in his career. We look at the shorts channel, things are completely different there. So after coming to terms with this huge problem, what could be the solution? So my solution is here. I think it's high time we have a stand, as there are at least some decent dudes in the shorts game, but these assholes who has nothing more than this to do. There needs to be some filter or some shit that can ban or just remove this shit. Okay, whatever, there is no solution other than developing your brain cells and getting the sense of time that you are wasting scrolling through those shit. Trust me, this shit is hell addicting. I procrastinated this script only for this short form content. Do some real work, man. Learn stuff, listen to audiobooks, play games, not Free Fire. I don't consider that shit as a gift. Please stay in control, get a hobby, find a passion, and work on. Go outside, travel the world, man. There is so much to learn in this huge goddamn world, and you are confined to a small screen, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Please don't promote and don't waste your valuable time on this shithole as known as TikTok and YouTube Shorts and also Reels. Please stop wasting your time in your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels and shit like that. Get your priorities straight. People usually like and subscribe if they like the video and the channel, and I don't know what are you gonna do. Just be creative, be passionate about what you do. That's all. Ta-da.